Good, do it again. Breathe in, lift your arms. Breathe out, full breath. Very basic and simple approaches, techniques, and a program to help communication effectiveness.
I love the look on her face when she was. She's so sitting in the chair next to her. The look on her face when she saw me sitting in the chair.
I'm Jessica Ackerman, and I am a licensed speech-language pathologist and a registered yoga teacher. Stand, I'm gonna do mostly standing, or you can do modified in your chair. Good, inhale up. Apple, nice and loud, big mouths here, inhale up. Apple, inhale up. E. Good, inhale up. E. So big breath in. We went to the movies last night. The big loudness comes from slow and deliberate, bigger mouth opening.
Take it. 12 years ago to be exact. A large insurance agency.
Take a breath. Make sure you're breathing through this so you're not straining. Ah, ah, ah.